Hello! This time I'll begin the La Vie en Vin by the food. Let's cook with wine. For lunch, I prepared a sausage barbecue at home, using my George Foreman grill. So easy and healthy. With the Malbec from Kilometer 49 Winery, the combination got perfect, besides the other two combinations that I had already done before. Hello, now introduce myself. I am Denise Souto from Brazil, and this is my Malbec from Argentina. For this wine, I prepared the three combinations: this barbecue, a pepperoni pizza, and a bacon cheeseburger. Take a look at the pictures. The Malbec is a strong wine, but if you choose strong dishes, it's not so difficult to make combinations. And talking about wine, now I'll show you 10 amazing, interesting topics about wines. Some of them you might know, some you don't, but it doesn't matter. The important is to learn and have fun. Check them out. 300 grapes are needed to produce a bottle of wine. Some wines need more than 300 grapes, some wines need less, but this is an average number. The white wine is made with the grape without skin. To make the red wine is used the whole grape. To make the white wine, the skin is peeled off. The green wine from Portugal is not green. This one is so interesting. The green wine from Portugal is a white wine, but it is made in the north of Portugal, a place of green fields, very, very beautiful, vineyards and another kind of plants. So the name green wine. Champagne is a sparkling wine, but not every sparkling wine is champagne. I have already talked about this here. Champagne is the sparkling from Champagne in France. In the rest of the world, there are sparklings, but they are not champagne because they are not from Champagne. China is the biggest wine buyer in the world. China is not the biggest wine drinker in the world, but it is the biggest buyer, so it is very, very important for the industry of wine around the world. In USA, a varietal must have 85% of the same grape, not 75%. The United States is an important market for the wine. And in US, a varietal must have 85% of the same grape, different from the rest of the world. But some wineries make their varietal with 85 because of the American market. Italy is the biggest wine producer in the world. The most people think that the biggest wine producers in the world are France or Chile or Portugal, but they are not. The biggest wine producer in the world is Italy. A bottle of wine has more antioxidants than 20 glasses of apple juice or 7 of orange juice. Do you know antioxidants? Those great anti-aging agents. So they are in the orange, here in Brazil, acerola, apple, but the wine has much more, so point for the wine. Wine matches with food because it cleans the mouth. Besides the great taste, wine has astringent skills, so it cleans the mouth and you can feel the flavor of the food much better. Women smell the wine accent better than men because of the hormones. Now the last and the best, I'll get closer. We women can smell the wine much better than men because of our hormones. Sorry. And that's it. I hope you like it. A great wine, 3 combinations in 10 interesting wine topics that you can talk about with your friends. I am Denise Souto from Brazil, and this is my La Viva!